I would like to say a couple of words. As all of you know, that this is the first virtual open mic show called Open Mic with Swati. So basically, I've called it as Open Mic with Swati means I am here to present your talent, showcase your voices, your performances to the audience, whom we are going to present this after the show. So as all of you know, this will be a recorded version. The recorded version will be uploaded and shared. So, as all of you know, that the whole world is currently worried and scared because of the one and only COVID-19. This virus has just taken so many lives, and people are locked down currently. So it's kind of a depression, frustration that is going on, and into the people's mind. However, we need to be patient and take necessary precautions and try to be safe and make others safe. So when I'm saying make others safe, it means that if we are safe, if we take precautions, we are actually making space for the other person to also stay safe. And definitely, we are going to spread this message all over the world that it's a high time that we work together to make this a habit, so that people do not break this discipline and to maintain the lockout period, entire part of India and also in the world. However, this virtual open mic, is basically a forum where I would like to bring along the kalakars, which is hidden in us. So most of the people do not know the talents because, for example, some people are into different profession. Okay, but however, they are associated with music some way. Some have got the hobby, some is passionate about it, or maybe unable to express. So this is a right forum where actually I would like to present some of the kalakar to the whole world, so they can actually and virtually showcase their talent in terms of music. And music, as all of us know, can heal everything. So although we are locked down, so we can still make ourselves and others happy and entertained through music. And staying positive is very important, and we must accept finite disappointment but never lose infinite hope. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. So, keeping in mind the hope today, we are here to present our artists who are not only professionals but also have a very strong interest in music and passionate about music. And today, I'm going to present some beautiful songs for all of you, so it can help to heal your mind and soul in this tough situation as well. As we all know, this time shall also pass. So, welcome to all these artists and kalakars who are currently with me in this show. All right, so the next kalakar of our evening is someone who is a designer by profession and who is based out of Kolkata but currently staying in Bangalore for her work. And she is a lovely painter. I have seen paintings of her. She is an amazing painter and also passionate about music. She sings awesome. So today, this evening, I have a couple of kalakars with me, and I'm so happy and excited that sometimes I'm losing out what to say or what not to say. So anyway, so let us welcome Madhumanti Ghosh from Kolkata and Bangalore. Okay, and a big round of applause for Madhumanti. Madhumanti, can you please take
Hi, Swati, and Hi, Swati. Can you hear me? Yeah,
yes,
thank you. It was a wonderful introduction. I myself have never thought to introduce in that way, but
no problem. That is my job.
But yes, as Swati introduced, like I am a designer by profession, but I have immense love for music, art, and dance. So I love to perform, and probably that's the reason I am here performing for the open mic set up by Swati's Academy. And thank you all for giving me this opportunity. I just hope that I can live up to your expectations.
Definitely. All the best to you. You guys are kalakars.
Thank
You
you.
have to rock.
Coming back to the song that I am going to present today, folk music has always been very inspiring. And when it comes to Indian folk, the folk of the Pahadis, it is always a combination of beautiful tabla, combination of beautiful flute, yet it is very young and very charming, full of rhythm. I have been a big fan
Absolutely.
of 90s indie pop, and if you all are 90s kid, I'm sure all of you are too. So, yes,
Of
so the
course.
song that I'm going to perform today has been one of my favorite. It is sung by Suniti Rao and it's from the album Dhua. So I'm not telling the name of the song because I leave up you all to recognize the song with the music of it. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So, guys, are we ready to hear Madhumanti's voice?
Yes. Yes.
I want a big yes from all of you.
Yeah, of course. We all are ready.
Oh, great, great. Okay, Madhumanti, go on.
Thank you. में तो कोई नजर पे अनजानी जहाँ से लाई मैं तो लाई तो हर पे अफसानी थी वहाँ से ना मुझे छूना ना दूर ही रहना पड़ी हूँ मैं आए कोई मेरी पनाह में ले जाए ये नजारे जैसे कोई मेरी निगाहों में पहचाने की इशारे ना मुझे छूना ना दूर ही रहना पड़ी हूँ मैं मुझे न छूना पड़ी हूँ मैं दिलों में जो नूर है मेरा बिस्कुट आँखों में गुरूर है ख्वाब का कसूर है पूरे सफरार है पूरा सफार है किसका इंतजार है कैसा इंतजार है कोई तो ऐसा हो ना सको मेरी महका जाए कोई न तो आई नजर पे अनजाने जहाँ से बाहर की अफसाने की कहाँ से ना मुझे छूना ना दूर ही रहना परी हूँ मैं मुझे न छूना परी हूँ मैं जो भी मेरे पास है मेरे लिए खास देख मेरी आरज़ू बेच मेरी डूबड़ो कैसे मेरी जुस्तजू बिखरी है 400 नहीं तो ऐसा हो आके जो मेरे दिल ले जाए हाय मैं तो कोई नजर के अनजाने जहां से लाई मैं तो लाई बाहर के अफसाने थी वहां से ना मुझे छूना ना दूर ही रहना परी हूँ मैं परी हूँ मैं मुझे न छूना परी हूँ मैं Thank you.
Oh,
It was
super.
lovely.
Awesome. I leave it up to you guys. You say how did you enjoy the
she
music?
has
was
a
a
very
great
attractive
Very
voice.
nice, wonderful voice.
very
Madhuvanti.
very good modulation, very expressive.
Yeah.
You know, Madhuvanti, when you started the song, I was I was almost kind of in a dancing mode. Although I could not showcase that, and obviously I can't dance like that because I'm in the audio. But if it's in a video mode, I would definitely had show some of the at least hand movements I was doing. I
Yeah.
enjoyed every bit of your song.
It
It was
was
lovely,
great.
yeah. It was lovely, and definitely you reminded of that 90s period, when we used to hear all those lovely songs actually. And this and today the special one of the speciality of today's event is that it's a all women
Wow.
program. So we are all ladies. So we are all
Yeah,
paris.
exactly.
So not only pari hu main,
Pari hai hum.
pari hai hum log.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, pari.
Definitely. So,
Yes, Mayur.
actually, the videography of this song is like where Suniti Rao is just
Yeah.
dressed in a white salwar and it's raining. So, I have studied in NID
Yeah.
Ahmedabad, and it's a beautiful campus. But there in Ahmedabad, you get to see a lot of peacocks. So, I used to see a white peacock from my balcony, and whenever it used to rain, it used to dance. And
Wow.
I
Wow.
Awesome,
What
awesome,
a
yeah.
beautiful
So,
experience.
yes, definitely. Yeah, I could. When you're
Yeah, we are
saying, I
trying
can,
to-
when I close my eyes,
Exactly, we
I
are
can
trying to
imagine
imagine
that.
actually.
Yeah, that was so mesmerizing. Really good that because it's not easy to see white peacock all the time. So we only have to go to zoo
Yeah.
to see that. Seriously,
yes,
you're lucky
yes.
that you could see
Yeah,
that.
thank you all.
Lovely. So a big round of applause for Madhumanti Ghosh once again, please. Okay, so I was thinking to say some shairi. Why not shairi? And why we can do some make the session more lively by putting up some shairis as well. As before I call the next participant, next
Can you hear me?
artist of this evening. Yes, Chanani. So before you say your description on the song, I was actually talking to all of them. I was thinking to say a couple of shairis, and I think you guys can also join me if anyone wants to say something. And currently today, I am feeling right now at the moment, before I call our next participant, I'm feeling like telling one shairi which is based on love only, because the next performances, the next song performances is actually a love song. So I want to say one love shairi to all of you.
Wow.
जाने लोग मोहब्बत को क्या नाम देते हैं, जाने लोग मोहब्बत को क्या नाम देते हैं, हम तो तेरे नाम को ही मोहब्बत कहते हैं. So you can feel that although the crisis is there everywhere, but we should not close our eyes, close our mind, and stop doing everything and feel that, oh God, we are locked out. We're in this lockdown phase, so we cannot do anything. When we have this virtual facilities, when we have the technologies, we can connect the entire and every corners of the world. We can connect with people in everywhere, okay, through this technology, and we can share our poetry, we can share our lovely music, and we can express each other. That is the power of this. Specifically, power of music and power of singing is that it can actually heal someone's mind, someone's soul.